I guess I'm right. Yeah.
Get it. Whoa. Reckless abandonment. Yeah. No, you can't eat those. Take it. Take it. Don't actually bite it. Take it. There you go.
Just a little piece. You want that piece?
You teach him how to do that.
Oh,
He used to never,
How about that piece?
he used to never,
Get that corner.
never liked to open Chris's present.
Here, I'll get you a little piece. Take this one.
He's like,
There.
I can't. I'm
Get this
all
one. There it is.
carried
That's a good one. Oh, yeah. Ooh. There you go. Ooh.
Careful. Careful. I don't know what it is.
Get it. There you go. Get it.
He's like, I don't like
Finish
whatever's
the job.
left in here.
There you go.
I don't know if you could
Oh,
use
nice.
that,
A dry bag?
but yeah, I think they're
Oh,
cool.
absolutely.
So.
Corner off.
Oh, yeah, there it is. That's the corner you wanted. You gotta try it the other way. There, that way. That way. That way.
That's that tape.
That way. Here. That's good. That's good, isn't it? That's how I used to open my packages. Oh, thank you. Come on, almost there. That was actually pretty good. I don't know. You want a piece of tape? Get that
He's
piece
like,
of
ew,
tape.
no, I don't want this.
You need to get that. That's what we need to get. Come on. Come on. You can't just take the good stuff. Come on.
He's like, don't give me that.
That's what you really need. You just don't know it yet.
That's the tape.
Fold it over on itself.
There you go. Here, I'll help you out. Okay, now grab it. Now get it.
He's like, I don't want it anymore.
Oh, yes.
There you go.
That's it.
Don't get what's inside of it, buddy.
Get the tape, doofus. No. Oh, cool. Thank you.